Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The Diagnostic Trouble Code, DTC P2238, refers to a low-voltage condition in the IP input circuit of the air-fuel ratio AF sensor, specifically sensor 1. This sensor is crucial in detecting the ratio of air to fuel being supplied to the engine for optimal performance and emissions control. When the AF sensor's control circuit short circuits to ground, it can lead to miscalculations of the air-fuel mixture, leading to erratic engine behavior. This malfunction triggers the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, to recognize a fault and store the error code P2238 for further diagnostics. Understanding the implications of this error is vital, as an incorrect air-fuel mixture can result in reduced fuel efficiency and increased emissions. The following slides will help guide the troubleshooting process through inspection and verification methods outlined in the vehicle's service manual. The error related to DTC P2238 indicates a malfunction in the air-fuel ratio AF sensor, specifically sensor 1. This sensor is critical in monitoring the air-fuel mixture entering the engine and plays a key role in emissions control and performance optimization. The PCM, or Powertrain Control Module, continuously monitors the sensor's output and thus can detect circuit abnormalities. If a low-voltage situation is identified in the IP circuit that connects to this sensor, the PCM flags this as an issue and logs DTC P2238. The AF sensor itself is typically located in the exhaust manifold or upstream of the catalytic converter, where it can accurately gauge the exhaust gases. Any low-voltage conditions in the sensor circuit can lead to improper sensor readings, which may directly affect the engine's performance and emissions. Several factors could contribute to the occurrence of DTC P2238. One of the leading causes is a shorted wire in the input circuit, which can disrupt the proper voltage supply to the AF sensor, causing it to malfunction. Another possibility is that the AF sensor itself may be faulty and unable to provide the correct readings, resulting in the PCM identifying an issue. Lastly, a defect within the PCM cannot be overlooked. If the PCM has internal problems, it can improperly interpret signals from the sensor and signal a fault code. Each of these potential causes requires thorough investigation to accurately determine the source of the issue before proceeding with repairs. Drivers may experience a variety of symptoms when DTC P2238 is present. One common indication is engine performance issues, such as hesitation, stalling, or rough idling due to incorrect air-fuel mixture. Furthermore, increased emissions may be a result of improper sensor readings, which can cause the vehicle to fail emissions testing. Additionally, the check engine light will likely illuminate, signaling that the vehicle's onboard diagnostic system has detected an issue within the engine's parameters. Drivers should be aware that neglecting these symptoms could lead to diminished fuel efficiency and further complications down the line. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P2238 is to inspect the external circuit related to the AF sensor. This involves checking the wiring for any signs of damage, such as shorts to ground or breaks that could interrupt the proper voltage supply. You will want to utilize a multimeter to perform a resistance check on the input circuit. It is important to ensure that the wiring is intact, as any faults here could result in a low voltage condition. You will also want to confirm that all connections between the AF sensor and the PCM are secure and free from corrosion. Conducting a thorough visual inspection aids in identifying any external issues that could potentially lead to the logged DTC and allows for addressing them early in the process. In the second troubleshooting step, you will need to test the AFAT sensor, which directly impacts the circuit's voltage levels. Since there may not be a straightforward method to test this component, the procedure suggests installing a known good AFAT sensor, Sensor 1, to see if the fault can be replicated. This step is critical in determining whether the original sensor is faulty. If you replace the sensor and the symptoms detection of the DTC improve, it confirms that the original AFAT sensor was the issue. If the symptoms persist, it indicates a problem with associated components or circuits, which would require further investigation to resolve. Keep in mind that proper handling and installation of the replacement sensor is essential for accurate results. A final step in troubleshooting DTC P2238 involves inspecting the PCM. If previous tests of the external circuit and the AF sensor have returned normal results, it may indicate that the PCM itself is the cause of the issue. The PCM, as the vehicle's brain, is responsible for interpreting signals from all sensors, including the AF sensor. If the PCM is malfunctioning, it could lead to erroneous readings and logic. Analyzing prior inspection results thoroughly will aid in confirming the PCM status. In the case that no faults are found, further diagnostics can either confirm or rule out PCM issues, guiding technicians on the best path forward for repairs. This step is crucial, as resolving any faults with the PCM is necessary to restore the vehicle's proper functioning. Once the necessary repairs related to DTC P2238 have been carried out, it's vital to perform a final verification to ensure everything is functioning normally. This begins by resetting the PCM, which can often involve disconnecting the battery or using diagnostic tools to clear the codes. Following the reset, it's essential to start the engine and hold it at 3,000 RPM in a no-load condition, like while parked in P or N, until the radiator fan activates. This step helps confirm that the replaced components are functioning as intended and that no new DTCs are generated. Monitoring engine behavior post-repair ensures that the corrections made have effectively addressed the original issue and restored the system to optimal performance. Preventive maintenance is essential in avoiding future occurrences of DTC P2238. Regular inspections of the A and focal sensor and associated wiring can help in detecting wear or potential short circuits before they lead to faults. Here, it is beneficial to monitor sensor performance over time, ensuring that it operates within specifications. Implementing a routine maintenance program can help to maintain the electrical components intact, safeguarding against damage that could lead to error codes. Additionally, keeping the PCM updated with the latest software updates may enhance its functionality, yielding optimal readings from the A and focal sensor. A proactive approach will not only enhance the longevity of these components, but also improve overall fuel efficiency and reduce emissions. In conclusion, understanding DTC P2238 and its implications is crucial for maintaining the efficiency and performance of the Honda CR-V. The air-fuel ratio sensor plays a vital role in optimizing engine operation, and if issues arise within its circuit, it can lead to a cascade of performance issues. Following the outlined troubleshooting steps ensures that any faults are correctly identified and resolved. From inspecting the wiring to verifying the PCM's operation, continued vigilance with monitoring vehicle performance and routine inspections will help catch issues early and prevent larger, more costly repairs down the line. This holistic understanding of the system allows for effective management of air-fuel ratios and maintains the integrity of vehicle emissions control. Please like and subscribe to the channel See you next time.